Echo, Echo, Echo. What time is it?
It's 8:04 p.m.
All the way by the radiator. It's about to go down the radiator. That's what my phone gonna be calling. That's what my phone gonna be ringing. Excuse me. Echo. 2 hours.
2 hours. Starting now.
It's all the way by the stove, the water. It went all the way by the water. The water's all the way by in front of the oven. And over here by the refrigerator. And over here by the radiator. So, yeah. And it smells horrible. This is definitely a lawsuit pending. I'm not cleaning this. I'm not cleaning this. It's all on the counter on both sides. And all the way, all the cabinet is soaked. I'm going to let it keep recording until my phone rings. And I'm not doing this to be mean because, oh, that smell. That's a terrible smell. It's like it burns in my throat. Like when I take a deep breath, like inhale or something, it just makes my throat itch. That's the building manager calling. Yeah. Hello? Oh, that was him calling. Then I told you I was gonna let it Yeah, he turned the water off. He's about to ring my doorbell. I'm going to let y'all listen for that doorbell. Now, y'all heard when the phone ended? The phone rung. Now, watch how quick he flies up here to ring my doorbell. Watch. I'm going to stand right here and wait. He turned the water off because it's going down to where he is. Yeah, he only flies up here. He only calls when it's inconveniencing him. When it affects him, that's when he calls or come up here. But he don't come up here when we complain about the not being enough heat in here. He'll fly up here when it affects him. Now, being that the water went down to the basement where he's at, that's why he called. Should I call him back or should I wait for him to knock on the door? Because I know he's like on his way up. But anyway, the reason why the water stopped is because he turned off the water. Sad, man. I want the crop that I want. I can't even get into the kitchen to get the egg replacer. Can I use this? I'm gonna use it. I just hold this on. Still good. I got season mixed on. Wow. He didn't turn off the water. I'm gonna call him so he don't say, why you didn't call me? Like, if I call you, what you gonna do? Just turn the water off? The problem is still gonna be there. Let's call this so-called building manager. He called at 8:08 p.m. This problem started 7:50 something p.m. Echo, dismiss timer.
5-minute timer stopped on Ramona's bathroom. Echo dot.
Hello? He's on. Okay, I'm gonna end this video though. But he said he'll be up in 15 minutes to mop up the floor, and because I'm not doing it, empty the sink, because I'm definitely not doing it. So, oops, keep doing that. Like, but you know, this is getting tiring. This is getting sickening. Did y'all hear that? It was much heavier than that yesterday. I don't know why am I still sitting here bending down like this, as I can smell this water. It's like, ugh, it's not good for me, you know. I got asthma, and this is not good for me, you know. And I got allergies too. It's not good for me. So I shouldn't even be squatting like this right here, talking to you guys with this problem going on right here. And this is not the first time this happened. This happened maybe 3 years after we moved in. But they said there was a problem before we moved in here. This was a problem before. It didn't start like after, you know, we moved in. This was an ongoing problem. But the smell's making my throat tickle. Okay. But yeah, so yep, he said it went down to the basement. Told you he was going to call. And when it only affects him, that's when he call. If it don't apply to him and if it don't affect him, he won't call. Oh snap, I got this thing going. Alright,